How to connect Etsy to Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can simply follow these steps to connect Etsy to Facebook. So firstly, go ahead and open your Facebook Manager account and make sure you are logged in. Further, tap on the settings option you see there. Now, tap on domains under the brand safety and suitability section. You can then opt for add option and then create a new domain. Now, type your Etsy shop name into a pop-up box using the format shopname.etsy.com. Now, copy your meta tag verification code from Facebook. Now go ahead and open Etsy and then go to settings and choose Facebook Shops. Further, go ahead and paste that code into the box and tap on the connect option. Now, switch back to Facebook and then tap on the verify domain option. Once your domain is verified, you have successfully connected Etsy to Facebook. Now, you can start adding products to your Facebook shop or marketplace using listing URL, that is your shop name.etsy.com/listing/ID. So this is how you can connect Etsy to Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.